What is up, guys? It's Raul TV. We're back again, and what we're doing is this time round we've got a VW Passat 2014 plate, and we're going to replace the slave cylinder. It's absolutely dead easy. It should take you no more than half an hour to replace. It's exactly the same on a VW Passat, Skoda Octavia, VW Golf, Audi A3s, A4s, basically across the VW range. It's all the same, the slave cylinder. If it's a concentric one, obviously that goes inside the gearbox. This is the external one. Should take you half an hour to change, no messing. Let's go, let's do it. See, I've already done a video for the master cylinder replacement on a VW Golf, Passat, Skoda and all that range. The thing is, check that video out and give me a thumbs up, like and everything. This one is a slave cylinder. So we've got the master cylinder, now it's time for the slave cylinder. Let's go. Okay, the first thing we're going to do, guys, is we're going to take the air filter box off. Obviously I've took the cover off, just lift that off, that's it. We're going to take the air filter box off. All it is a little pipe going this way to the air filter. I've took that off, and basically this air filter, take the pipe off on the back, one big clamp there. Take your wiring plug off, take that little pipe off which goes to that there, and all it is, we just lift it up, lift the air filter box up, I'll lift it up on this side, and there we go, air filter box off. Right, next thing is two ways to do it. One is you can struggle and do it the hard way, or you can do it the easy way. You know me, easy way is the highway, is the proper way. The easy way is the best. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the battery tray off. Basically it's just 3-4 bolts, that's all it is. I mean, if you want to do it there, you can do it there, you know, in situ there. Basically get to the 2-bolt slave cylinder bolts and then get to the pipe. It's a tight squeeze, so I would recommend take the battery off and take the battery tray off. The battery tray is only held on with 3 bolts, one here, and one in the middle there. And the battery is just held on with 2, obviously. One here, and take that one off there, and that one off there. Right, let's go, let's do it. Right, the battery's off. Basically took the battery leads off and one 13mm anchoring bolt. So now what I'm going to do is take this battery tray off, take that bolt off, take this one off, and take this one off. Take them 3 off. The battery tray basically will lift off that way, and go that way. That will come straight off. Okay, guys, there is the slave cylinder. There's the culprit. It's only held on with 2 bolts, 2 13mm bolts. We take them 2 off, take the pipe off. This pipe connected there with our little clip. So basically push the clip out, pipe pulls out, and that's it. Slave cylinder comes straight off. What you could do if you want to make your life easy, which I'm going to do, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this little clip off that holds the gear linkages on. So take that off. There we go. The gear linkage out of the way, so it gives you a little bit more room. And then what you could do is you could go ahead and take this bracket off. If you want to go ahead and take this bracket off, by all means take it off. You don't have to. If you can just get to the clips and everything, you can do. I might not even take it off. If you want to, you can do. If you don't want to, you don't have to. But I would take this off, then you can, because you can see it gives you a bit more room there. There we have it, guys. The slave cylinder is off. Let's fit the new one. Right, guys, as you can see, I haven't took that bracket off. So the way I'm going to get this slave cylinder in is underneath the bracket. You should just, there we go, slide in. Right, guys, slave cylinder's back on. I'm going to bang this pipe back on now. Straight there. Get it leveled up. And all I do is just click. You'll hear the magical click. There we go. On. Put that rubber grommet back on. There we go. Put this clip back on. That's it. What we do now is we can go ahead and fit everything, but it's very hard to bleed. There's the bleed nipple. What you could do is get a pressure bleeder, bleed it yourself, or the best thing to do is get a friend, phone a friend, and get him to sit in the car and basically just pump it and bleed the system. There we have it, guys, all done and dusted. Slave cylinder's on, it's been bled through. Like I mentioned, you can do it yourself. Put a Gunson easy bleed on it, bleed it yourself, or I got my brother to get in the car, and well, I got in the car and I bled it, and then that's it. All I told him to do is open the nipple, and that's it. Bleed through. Clutch pedal feels absolutely fantastic. Let's put everything else back on. All the battery tray back on, the battery, the air filter box. Let's go. Home stretch. Let's go. That's it, guys. Job done. Happy days. All done and dusted. We've got the slave cylinder back on. Battery lead and battery is back on. Battery tray is back on. Air filter box is back on. That's about it. Anyway, that's how we replace the slave cylinder on the VW Passat 2014 plate. It's like I mentioned before, it's exactly the same on the VW Golf, the Audi A3s, A4s, some of the Skodas are like that as well. Like I say, if it's the external one, it should be like that. If it's a concentric one, that's inside the gearbox. Anyway, guys, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell button for me. Leave a comment in the comment section, and I will see you guys soon.
I want you to show me how to get to know someone like you, someone like you. I want you to know me, 'cause I know then you'll see we could be true, we can be true.